Thank you for tuning in to episode 34. In this episode, we get stuck in some really nice deep snow and have probably one of the best winter camping experiences we've ever had. This awesome experience started with a Facebook post, followed by a text from Dave at Blindman Overland. Alright, a little bit of a last minute trip, heading out to go do some camping with Dave from Blindman Overland. Should be a pretty fun trip, so gonna meet him up in Bentley there, and we're gonna head out from there, do a little bit of nighttime, wintertime camping. Looking forward to it.
Where's your high vis, sir?
I don't have one.
You're on the side of a busy highway.
Yeah, no kidding. With the sunlight fading, we definitely had to make some time on the roads to get to our destination, which was Blindman Landing. Eventually the snow became a lot deeper. It was pretty fun trying to break trail and get through as far as we could. So after playing around a little bit in the snow, we decided to air out the tires and get a little bit more grip. Also have to rely on the trusty old winch to kind of get us unstuck, and eventually we backed up into a kind of a secondary choice for setting up camp for the night. It was pretty dark out, and we definitely wanted to get camp set up soon.
Oh, like nothing. Right on.
It was actually a really good setup. Kind of cut the wind out and gave us a really nice area to make camp. Once camp was set, man, it was time to cook dinner. We started out with camp onion. I don't know if you had it before. This was my first time, and man, I absolutely loved it. It's basically onion totally immersed in butter and garlic. Oh my god, it was so good.
She's looking good.
We then had bacon wrapped jalapenos stuffed with pepperoni. Amazing. The bacon was crisp. It was absolutely awesome. Probably one of the best meals I've ever had.
Oh, that one's staying there.
I know Dave thoroughly enjoyed his. It was a pretty awesome campsite. Despite the fact that it was kind of our secondary choice, it turned out to be pretty good. The temperature for the night fluctuated quite a bit. Fluctuated from about -14, -15 down to about -20 overnight, and then back up to -14 for the morning. It's a good thing I brought my buddy heater with me. Sleeping with my buddy here. Well, another beautiful morning. Was awesome. I think it got a little bit chilly last night. It says negative 14 out this morning, but I'm pretty sure throughout the night it got a little bit chillier than that. Seems to be warming up a little bit now, but that was an awesome sleep. Really good, good to get out. I love the mountains, and it's awesome seeing the sun coming up. Well, another adventure. I love it. Cheers, Dave at Blindman Overland. We're both drinking some awesome coffee here this morning. Man, what a blast. And to all those guys who don't like winter camping, I think you'd like it if you're properly set up. So, here's to you guys. Oh, nothing like fresh made, fresh ground coffee.
That's true. I'll
Thanks.
agree.
100%, man. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
I made it on the YouTube video!
Well, after an awesome night, it was time to pack up camp and start heading back home. Once off the trail, all we had to do was air up. But check out Blindman Overland's rims. Aren't those the coolest rims? He painted these things himself and put the logo on. They're pretty badass. Lots of beauty around here. This little bit of a lake or a pond. You can see a whole bunch of animal tracks. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at this. So, definitely a beautiful spot down here. Check it out, guys. Alberta's definitely got its share of beauty. and it's a pleasure to live in this province.